Affiliate marketing is a simple business model, but it's not an easy business model. Now guys, before we get to this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so every time when I release a brand new video to you guys can be notified. Now for a lot of you guys who don't know who I am, my name is Jostel Bresleur Guari Mabiala. I'm an affiliate marketer and I help average people just like you make money online, build an online business, start a work from home business, have financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom, quit your 9-to-5 job if you work in a 9-to-5 job right now, fire that boss so you can become your own boss and live life on your own term, specifically with affiliate marketing. Okay, now why am I saying that affiliate marketing is a simple business model but it's not an easy business model? Now the reason why I'm saying that is because, guys, look, yes, affiliate marketing is simple because affiliate marketing, all you have to do is just promote other people's stuff, because all you do is that you promote other people's product. That's as simple as that. That's all affiliate marketing is. You're basically just promoting other people's stuff. So yes, it is simple because you don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about shipping the product. You don't have to worry about the inventory of the product because you're just a middleman. All you have to do is to just promote other companies' product like Amazon, Best Buy, JCPenney, Staple, Coca-Cola, Adidas. So you just have to refer someone to buy any of these companies' product, which is very simple. But here's a problem that you guys don't seem to understand. Doesn't mean it's easy. No, because you still have to market that product, which is not easy. For example, marketing is hard. You have a lot of work to do to market your product. Yes, it's a simple business model. I get it. Okay, it's a very simple way to earn money, very simple way to earn commission because you don't create the product, someone else does. However, you still have to market the product. You still have to sell the product. You still have to promote the product. You still have to drive customer traffic to that product, and that's not easy. You see what I'm saying? So the business is simple, yes, because you're not creating the product. You don't have to worry about creating the product, the shipping of the product, the inventory of the product, the fulfillment of the product. That's none of your business. You're just an affiliate of someone else's product, of someone else's stuff. But let me make sure I make that clear. Just because it's that simple, it doesn't mean it's easy, because you still have to market the product. You still have to sell the product. You still have to bring that product to someone else's hand to actually buy that product. Selling, marketing, that's not easy. These are high income skill that you need to master, because if you don't know how to market your product, you're not going to succeed in this affiliate marketing business. I don't care what you say about this, it's the truth. Because you still have to learn how to market your product as an affiliate marketer. Does that make sense? So yes, it is a simple business model because you don't worry about the customer service. You don't worry about the shipping of the product. You don't create the product. That's none of your business. However, you still have to promote the product. You still have to market the product. You still have to master copywriting, email marketing. You still have to master paid advertising, running campaign online, whether it's Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads. You still have to market all of this, all of this. Does that make sense? You still have to master all of this to be successful in your business. You still probably have to create content, be on camera if you don't even like to be on camera and stuff like that, which is not easy. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, affiliate marketing is a simple business model, but it's not an easy business model. Just because it's simple, it doesn't mean it's easy. Okay? Because a lot of people still fail in this industry. I'm just gonna have to be honest with you. You hear this idea of like, oh, passive income this, passive income that, but what people don't tell you is a dark side that you have to go through to become successful. Yes, affiliate marketing is simple. Yeah, but it's not easy. I'm gonna tell you that. Selling is a skill. Marketing is a skill. Sorry to break it to you, but yeah, It sucks to say, but I'm gonna have to tell it to you straight, and I'm gonna have to give it to you as it is. It sounds harsh the way I'm talking, but because I love you enough to tell you that. There's no get rich quick in anything you do in life, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether you're doing in any other businesses out there like drop shipping, e-commerce, Amazon FBA. Passive income is built over time. Understand that. Does that make sense? All right. I love you guys. And if you are interested in building an online business, you want to start building a home-based business specifically with affiliate marketing, or you're just looking for a way to make a full-time income online, or maybe you're looking for a way to quit your 9-to-5 job so you can live life on your own term, okay? Just go down below to the link that you see down below to check out my #1 recommended way that's going to teach you how you can make a full-time income online. If you are interested. If you're not interested, there's no hard feeling. But if you are interested, just click on the link down below to get instant access to my #1 recommended way that's going to teach you how you can start making a full-time income online, specifically with affiliate marketing. All right. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. But again, remember this: affiliate marketing is simple, yes, but it's not easy. Okay, because you're gonna have to learn a lot of skill. Okay, a lot of skill to even be successful in this business space. Okay, and this applies just not to affiliate marketing, to any business in general. I get it, but specifically what I'm talking, the reason why I'm talking about affiliate marketing is because there's a bunch of noises out there in the marketplace where people tell you, oh, affiliate marketing is easy. It's easy. Yes, it's, I wouldn't say yes. Why am I going to say yes? Yeah, it's simple. Okay, let me make sure I bring that. It's simple, but it's not easy. Okay, it's simple, like I mentioned earlier, because you don't create the product, you don't worry about the product, the fulfillment of the product. But, okay, it's not easy because you still have to market the product, you still have to master marketing, you still have to master selling and stuff like that. Does that make sense? I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Okay.